Hey guys, Chaz here with droidshark.com. Today I have an application for you called the Pure Messenger widget. It is developed by Francois DESLANDES, the same guy that did Pure Calendar, Pure Grid Calendar, all that good stuff. It costs $2 on the market, and it has a ton of features, a lot of different modes and that sort of thing. It supports themings like all of his other apps. So, let's take a look. Alright, so let me go ahead to a blank screen over here, and I'll show you guys the widget. Just go to your widgets menu, and let me scroll through the billions of stuff I have. There's this Pure Calendar, Pure Grid Calendar, and here's Pure Messenger. Alright, so you got, it has a 4x2, 4x3, and 4x4 size. For the standard Pure Messenger, you have the list version, which has a 4x1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you have the scrollable version for ADW or Launcher Pro that supports 4x2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and look at the standard 4x4 Pure Messenger. So you, first, you're greeted with these settings. You can toggle Gmail, POP3 IMAP email, text messages, Facebook, and Twitter. So you can choose between any of those to be displayed within the app, or the widget, I guess. Behavior, you have the polling period, so that's how often it will refresh Twitter and Facebook. Search messages, so you can launch the internal viewer. You can also enable notifications, so if you use this as your main Twitter application or main Facebook app, you can have it notify you when you get updated. You can have it show only the unread messages, so after you read something it'll go away. Display, show the date and the time. You have the contact picture, apply, delete, mark as read, and remove blank lines. Text size and text color. Under system, you have some system settings: disable Gmail Observer, the reboot bug for the Hero and Aris and Wildfire, hide the launcher icon, and force it to keep it running in the foreground. So you'll notice it doesn't have an ADW scrollable setting in the system settings right here, because it has a separate widget for that. So let's go ahead and look at some skins. Open this up, retrieving data. Alright, so themes work the same way as they do in all of his other widgets. You have a list of all the supported themes. Scroll through them. You choose one you want, tap on it, hit install, and it'll download the theme from the servers. Click on it again, hit select, and save and exit, and when it refreshes the widget, your theme should be on it. So this one, pretty, that's really cool looking. Alright, so once it refreshes, you have your left and right arrows. So you tap these to go between the messages that are that you have. It just goes basically from your newest to oldest. It'll go through your texts and your Gmail messages, and I guess anything else depending on what you've selected. Down here you have mark as read. You have a reply button, which will open up new SMS, reply, call, send email, all that. And you have a trash button. You can click on their contact picture up here, and it'll take you to their contact page, which is pretty neat. And if you click on the SMS icon there, you can launch Gmail, SMS, refresh, configure. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at some of the other versions. You have the Pure Messenger list, which let's just go ahead and show you the default skin on that one. Loading. Alright, so as you can see, this widget, instead of showing a whole, instead of the whole widget being taken up by one message, it shows them all in a big list. And instead of going side to side, you go up and down. You go page by page through all your messages. You have a star button here. You click on that, and you can send a message in an email, mark as read or delete. Click on this button here, and you can launch Gmail, SMS, refresh, configure. Click on a message. Again, it'll bring up the respond thing there, click on this, same thing, click on the contact picture, brings you their contact page. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the last one, the scrollable Pure Messenger Scroll. Now, you have to note this scrollable version, while it is my personal favorite, and I think it's the best version, it will only work if you're using either ADW or Launcher Pro home replacements on the market. And both of those are free, so you should definitely go ahead and give them a try. Download them. They work better than most of the stock launchers anyways. So here we go. This is the scrollable version. It looks just like the list, except instead of up and down, you actually scroll through your list. And other than that, it works the same way. Click on that, go to their contact page. Works great. So that just about covers everything for the Pure Messenger widget. Alright guys, so that just about wraps up this review for the Pure Messenger widget. Again, that's developed by Francois DESLANDES, and it costs $2 on the Android market. My recommendation, I would say if you're in the market looking for a Messenger widget, this is the best one out there. I've seen others and they just don't compare to the quality of this widget. Personally, I don't use one, but like I said, if it's something you're interested in, definitely check it out. I guess this just about wraps it up. I'm Chaz for droidshark.com. Remember to come back and check out all of our other awesome videos and reviews on our website, and I'll see you guys later.